A strange, bright flash appeared above Kiev, accompanied by little to no sound, as residents report. The air raid alert was turned on minutes later. The regional administration of Kiev is reporting that the air defense forces identified an enemy target in the sky. What could it be? And Ukrainian forces blow up a bridge. That bridge was the only access to the only road to Vulhedar from Donetsk. They are cutting off the meat supply. The Russian army took full responsibility of guarding the flanks north and south of Bakhmut. They apparently didn't do a good job. And this is how captured Russian soldiers are kept in Ukraine. They have 3 full meals per day, constant support from a psychologist, and access to medical care. And also, prisoners of war can work. There is a choice: assembling packages or assembling furniture. For this, they receive a salary of about $1 per day, which they can spend in a local store. They work 6 days a week. Sunday is a day off. On this day, they can walk around the territory, play football, checkers, watch TV in the recreation room, or go to church. The Ukrainian FPV kamikaze drone, breaking through the enemy's air defense, safely flew into the Russian BMP. Footage on how a Russian Shahed drone was destroyed last night in Odessa Oblast. According to Ivan Fedorov, rightful elected mayor of Melitopol, tension is growing among Russians in the occupied Zaporizhzhia region. Unknown people drive with loudspeakers in the area of Tokmak and Vasilivka and call on residents to evacuate. Evacuations by civilians are actually happening in Tokmak. So this is a clear sign that, according to Russian intelligence informations, Ukrainian counteroffensive is near. Another day, another fire. In Dzerzhinsk, Nizhny Novgorod region of the Russian Federation, a warehouse caught fire on the territory of a chemical enterprise. The fire area is 43,000 square feet. A Finnish-supplied SISU XA-180 APC in Ukraine at work with the armed forces. It is unknown how many Finland supplied to Ukraine. It is known that 2 were destroyed up until today. Ukrainian soldiers train with their newest and oldest tanks, M55S from Slovenia. The little country donated 28 of these extremely refurbished T-55 MBT to Ukraine. All the best, old fellas. After Swedish, British, and Canadian soldiers, Norwegian military instructors also honorably see off Ukrainian soldiers after completing their training. First, Russia let down Armenia in its war with Azerbaijan. Even Armenia was a part of Russian Collective Security Treaty, something like Russian NATO. Now Russian propagandists are annoyed Armenia doesn't help Russia fight the war. It's unclear why would the self-proclaimed second, or as they claim, first military of the world ask for help from a small country like Armenia. Clowns.
Ну, мне часто звонят азербайджанские журналисты с удивительными вопросами. А что Россия сделает в этой ситуации? Вы же наш союзник. Почему на нашей стороне не воюет российская армия? Я задаю встречный вопрос. Мужики, а вы же наш союзник. Армянская армия воюет на российской стороне на Украине? Ну, не воюет. Правда? Ну и что вы сделали для того, чтобы поддержать нас в этом военном конфликте со всем блоком НАТО? Что сделал Пашинян, я понимаю. Нырнул в сторону НАТО на учение. Правда? Там же в учениях НАТО будет принимать участие армянский воинский контингент. Удивительная тема с учетом ситуации, что называется, на фронтах, а также того, что Армения – это член ДКБ, Армения же не только член Евразес, там много-много чего интересного.
This is not from Ukraine, but it's connected through the use of drones in modern wars. The German arms manufacturer Rheinmetall has released a video showing a concept UAV acting as a carrier of kamikaze quadcopters.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.